wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music club with our banger, no people. Let's see what we are deal with today. Yeah, man, guys. Let's see what we are there. We're there with Mr. the Senegal Bass, Mr. Bob Walk, Mr. Paddle Boat, Mr. when we come with Mr. Big Grabber like Bob, and also Mr. Chopper Gasper, Mr. Bogus. We are talking about none other than Najeeriii and Jquan. Yeah, we're back in the music lab today, guys. And these two artists make bro. This was an unexpected collab. I ain't expect this one, not yet. Anyway, Jquan just coming in dancehall and I do him thing. Yeah, man, do him thing. But I ain't expect collabs like this as yet. Maybe like later on in the year, or next year. But yo, dog, I make him moves out here, make him connections like you're supposed to, and he's working out for him. So yeah, man. Today we got Najeeriii and Jquan. The one named Credits. And when I go check it out where dog I see what dog them I deal with. This is was what I wasn't expecting this collab, at least not yet. You know what I'm saying? I didn't see this one coming. But yo, that's what we want to see in a dancer. Some unpredictable moves, some and some dope moves as well. You know what I'm saying? And Najeeriii is one of the artists out here, so I can see why Jquan want to work with him. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, guys, we're not going to be vibing stronger. We're going to jump right in that track. This is a very interesting collab. I wasn't expecting it, so I'm intrigued to see what was gonna go on. You know what I'm saying? So before we jump in that track, guys, make sure you hit that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? You don't know, you're in tune to the latest reaction channel, bro. Come in, man. The likes help my channel grow, dog. So just do the right thing, man. From your heart, clean and a bad man. Do the right thing. Hit that like button, man. And if you're new channel, hit that subscribe button. You see me? Yeah, man. Help your boy grow, man. Be a vibes and energy over here, so man. Just do the right thing. Hit the like button. You see me? But we now will be vibing much longer. This is Najeeriii and Jquan Credits. Let's get it.
Holy.
I see, you know.
Shipland.
I see.
Probably like Bob, so we dog my deal with on the track. Alright, come here.
Jquan, which are we no cap. Flip a kilo crack. Deposit or cash, me drift up, money no crash. See that bring up Yalina, Villa Figo knock. Is a picture, she go shotty man, spin a diplomat.
Yo, Bob, I'm not from here, I'm a alien. Just get a money call and do it to France.
Okay, I like the switch up, bro. You see me? I like the vibes where that just come in, start off with Bob's unorthodox flow, and then Jquan just come in smooth. Alright.
Yo, Jonas, lift up everything we have. Cause some little boy attack like them feel a prank.
We run the game till we edit. To the credit.
The man they got so blood cleave, tie gun in the blood cleave, right? That ain't so joke.
If you have his any gas, straight to me remix. The million of his helica. Case full of every day we flipping up. Pressing page fully pressing.
What them know about for jog a billion? If you ask my dog to be a chap, I'm in the wrong. Cause if I never that, me would have.
Man say you know about jog a million. You see me? If you have to be a chopper, that would wrong. Cause who else are the teacher bringing their money, eh? That got that blow, purge, mask. I had that shit for last Halloween.
Probably kill a man, but sell active, I'm a flip on the gram. Learn no money. Only have to find where you feel like good. Hold on my dogs, which in a real life. Look, code is life, so I'ma do it right. Miss life.
Code is life, so I'ma do it right. You hear that? Yeah, man, code.
Bag of money, trading I fraud on me. Living lavish, man, living I hard on me. Don't cheap, I'm part on me. Cool, learn.
I was a drip on the alley. Me and the robbery like bricks on my pocket. Big Glocky for me like sit coffee shotty and a.
Boy, Bob loving your list, you know, we have a drip on the alley. You know what I'm saying? I got these, the belt there, what they call it, BB Simmons. Yeah, man.
England and Crystal, flip Franny Police and a big jagger lift. Baba brings Smaddy Catty. Say she want fuck one and pop, God have swag. You sucky cocky, she don't bite like Madden strap. Me run the track, you record.
She want fuck, blood. God. Baba and Quan, you see me? She said you can't, bite like red ants.
Try fight, chop on top. We run the game till we end it. To the credits, if he have his any gas, straight to me remits. The million of his helicopter. Case for the leverage, how we flipping up. Pressing page fully pressing.
Hush puppy lifestyle, woman living dark. Big currency whenever me left me out. Hey, Senegal, them bit up blood clot.
Man say, hush pussy, like hush puppy. Lifestyle me living, dog. You know what I'm saying?
Jquan, bitch, we no cap. Flip a kilo crack. Deposit to cash, me drift up, me money no cash. See that bring up Galina, Villa fi go knock. This a picture, she go shotty man, spin a diplomat.
Yo, Bob, I'm not from here, I'm a alien. Just get a money call on the way to France. Show Jonas, lift up everything we have. Cause I'm like a boy, I talk like.
Man say, I'm not from here, I'm a alien. Just get a money call on the way to France. So I'm here, Jquan. Hey, I like Jquan flow, bro. You see me? Jquan keep making the right flows, the right moves and shit, linking the right people, bro. You gonna come up pretty fast in the
I don't feel a plank.
They run the game till it end it. To the credits, if Billy have his any gas, straight to me remits. He million on me, he got case full of every job, flipping up, president paid.
I dog got it tired going down, you know. I want some joker to, you know, you see me, yo, come
Fully pressing.
Dunce. What is life? When I'm wife on the worst time. Good.
Akka detta näyttää man. Lie? Never lie.
Easy, no? Yeah, man. Big up Jquan and Big Grabber like Bob. You see me, the Senegal boss himself. Yeah, man. Najeeriii doing him thing. Young youth in the game, man. Yeah, man. Jquan, you making moves. You like the moves you're making, fam. You see me? I like your music as well. Your flow and things sick. So keep doing your thing, bro. You're coming with some nice video and shit. You know what I'm saying? So keep doing your thing, bro. Keep the music quality the same. Yeah, man. You have a mad flow, man. You see me? So if you keep it up, yeah, I can see you going far in the industry, bro. I'm gonna have a hard time to keep up. So just keep making the right moves, making the right links, doing the right collabs, bro. And you're gonna get your talent out there in front of people even faster, bro. You know what I'm saying? But Jquan, yeah, man. You're a bad artist, dog. So keep the songs coming, man. We're gonna keep an eye and keep looking at your music, man. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you take it to the top. So yeah, man, keep doing your thing. So shout out to Jquan, shout out to Najeeriii, guys. If you like, you go show the artists them some love and support. Make them know sir Jambisco and Senny, you know what I'm saying? And drop on a request, we know what to react to next. And make sure you guys, you are in the video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. Come on, you all the way here. If you reach the end, man, we deserve a like and this different and subscribe, man. I want to so just do the right thing. Help your boy grow. I want to know, man. Yeah, man, we're on the rate at the top, bro. We're going to take over. Latest reaction channel, listener, man. I want to deal with. Come in, man. Drop the like and sub. You see me, help your boy get the videos out here. You don't know where I deal with. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. As I said, that was Najeeriii and Jquan credits. Real dope track. Check it out. Show them some love. Make you know, sir Jambisco and send you. Drop a request. You see me, and I don't know. Well, boy Jambisco out here, another banger. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.